Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring system updates are applied so search components match OS libraries. Open Services, MSC Now, and find Windows Search. Once located, set Startup to Automatic, Delayed Start to avoid boot contention. Make sure to stop the service, wait a few seconds, then start it again. This forces the indexer to reinitialize. While doing this, keep Task Manager open to watch CPU and disk. If usage spikes, pause and let the service settle before proceeding. Next, rebuild the index from Control Panel indexing options. Choose Advanced and click Rebuild so Windows recreates the catalog. If rebuilding fails, close Explorer and delete the search database folder at %localappdata %\Microsoft\Windows\search to force a fresh index file. Once done, run dism/online/cleanupimage followed by sfc/scano to repair system image and file integrity. This fixes corrupted components. Finally, reset the search UI and host processes with an elevated PowerShell. Stop and start search UI or run the provided reset script to clear cached UI state. This resolves frozen boxes. Clear temporary files and ensure the Cortana/search process isn't blocked by firewall or third-party antivirus. Once done, sign out or reboot and verify search responsiveness. If problems persist, create a new local user. This quickly reveals whether the issue is profile-specific and helps you decide the next repair step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.